Welcome to this transformative journey. Have you ever wondered how ordinary people rise from humble beginnings to build extraordinary wealth? In today's book summary video, we'll uncover the powerful lessons from the book From Zero to Billionaire, the hidden secrets of building wealth from scratch. This isn't just another book about money, it's a roadmap to financial freedom. Whether you're struggling to make ends meet or looking to expand your wealth, this book has something for everyone. You'll learn about the mindset of billionaires and how to cultivate it, practical strategies to manage money, eliminate debt, and grow income streams, investment techniques that create lasting wealth, the secrets of entrepreneurship, networking, and mentorship, how to overcome challenges and leave a legacy for generations. Stay tuned as we dive into the key points that can change your financial future forever. If you're ready to turn your dreams into reality, this is the video for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to inspire others on their journey to success. Let's begin. Introduction, a roadmap to financial freedom. The book begins by addressing the universal desire for financial freedom and the common misconceptions about wealth building. It sets the stage by debunking myths such as you need money to make money and wealth is only for the lucky or privileged. Instead, it emphasizes that wealth building is a skill anyone can learn, provided they have the right mindset, knowledge, and tools. The introduction highlights the author's intention to provide a step-by-step guide for readers, whether they are starting with zero resources or already on their way to financial growth. Chapter 1, The Wealth Mindset. This chapter explores the psychology of wealth and how beliefs shape financial outcomes. Key takeaways include shifting from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset, overcoming fear of failure and embracing calculated risks, cultivating resilience, discipline, and long-term thinking. Historical examples, such as Andrew Carnegie and Oprah Winfrey, illustrate how mindset played a pivotal role in their success. The chapter provides actionable exercises to rewire limiting beliefs and adopt a growth-oriented perspective. Chapter 2, Laying the Financial Foundation. The second chapter focuses on building a solid financial base. It covers assessing your current financial situation by calculating net worth and cash flow, creating a realistic budget that aligns with your goals, differentiating between good debt, e.g., investments, and bad debt, e.g., high-interest loans, the importance of an emergency fund and how to start saving with small, consistent steps. The chapter includes relatable case studies of individuals who turned their finances around by mastering the basics. Chapter 3, Generating multiple income streams. Here, the book dives into the power of diversifying income. It emphasizes that relying on a single source of income limits financial growth. Key points include identifying skills and passions to create side hustles, leveraging the gig economy for additional income, turning hobbies into profitable ventures, transitioning from employment to entrepreneurship. Readers are encouraged to brainstorm ways to create passive income, such as investing in real estate, building online courses, or writing ebooks. Chapter 4, Mastering the Art of Investing. This chapter demystifies the world of investments. Key lessons include understanding the basics of stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds, the power of compounding interest and why starting early is crucial, diversifying your portfolio to manage risk effectively, avoiding common investment mistakes by learning from historical examples. The chapter also introduces modern investment opportunities like cryptocurrencies and emphasizes the importance of continuous learning. Chapter 5, Leveraging Technology for Wealth. Technology has leveled the playing field for wealth creation. This chapter explores the rise of e-commerce and how anyone can start an online business, emerging trends like AI, blockchain, and NFTs, apps and tools for budgeting, investing, and financial planning, how social media platforms can be used to build a personal brand and generate income. The book highlights stories of entrepreneurs who harness technology to achieve financial independence. Chapter 6, Entrepreneurship and Value Creation. Entrepreneurship is presented as a key driver of wealth. This chapter guides readers on identifying market gaps and solving real problems, building a scalable business model, navigating the challenges of starting and growing a business, developing leadership skills and building a strong team. The chapter shares lessons from successful entrepreneurs, such as Elon Musk and Sarah Blakely, and encourages readers to embrace creativity and innovation. Chapter 7, Networking and Mentorship. This chapter emphasizes the value of relationships in wealth building. Key points include how to find and connect with mentors who can guide your journey, building a network of like-minded individuals who inspire and support you, the power of collaboration and strategic partnerships. Real-life examples illustrate how mentorship and networking have propelled individuals to success. Chapter 8, Overcoming Challenges and Setbacks. Failure is inevitable, but it's also a stepping stone to success. This chapter covers turning setbacks into learning opportunities, building mental and emotional resilience, staying adaptable in the face of changing circumstances. Inspirational stories of people who overcame adversity remind readers that persistence and grit are key to achieving long-term success. Chapter 9, Giving Back and Creating Impact. Wealth isn't just about accumulation, it's about contribution. This chapter explores the role of philanthropy in personal and societal growth, how giving back creates a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Examples of billionaires who used their wealth to make a difference. Readers are encouraged to find causes they're passionate about and incorporate giving into their financial plans. Chapter 10, Sustaining Wealth for Generations. The final chapter focuses on preserving and passing on wealth. Key points include the importance of estate planning and creating a legacy, teaching financial literacy to the next generation, building systems and structures to ensure long-term wealth sustainability. The chapter provides insights into families who successfully maintained generational wealth and the lessons they offer. Conclusion, Your Turn to Rise. The book concludes with a motivational call to action, urging readers to start their wealth-building journey today. It emphasizes that small, consistent steps lead to significant outcomes and encourages readers to embrace lifelong learning, adaptability, and persistence. Discover how to overcome challenges and achieve extraordinary success. Like, share, and subscribe to Chapter in Minutes for more life-changing book summaries. Want the full book? Check out the link below to get your copy and dive deeper.